Alright, so I ordered Freeyond phone from Julia and the package has arrived. So let's see what's inside. Alright, this is the phone, Freeyond F9. I'll be back in a second. Let me remove the okay. Let me see. 3 gig, 128 gigabytes. Yes. Let's see the phone. Looking sleek. Let's power it. That's a phone pack. Freeyond phone pack. And this is the okay. I like the charger. It seems like original. It looks strong. Okay, that's pretty much everything that is inside. Type-C cord. Next, that's all right. Let me skip this. Set up offline. Continue. Let's see what the phone is like first. Sunday. Okay. Accept. It has face unlock. Yes, another reason why I decided to buy this phone. I was using Redmi A1 Plus before and it only has fingerprints. This is my Redmi A1 Plus. It only has fingerprints and no face unlock. It also has 33 gig memory space, but this one I got now has 128 gig. No thanks, I'll do that later. Fingerprints. I agree. Let's set that up. I like the fact that it has side fingerprints, since that's like what's modern now. Alright. Okay, so this is what the phone looks like. Still looking the same as Redmi, but also another reason why I want to use this, I got this phone was I heard that it has what's it called, screen mirroring, or you can call it casting. I use that casting a lot. That's why the Redmi A1 Plus frustrated me. I can't cast to my television, my smart television, and my laptop. Alright, so I heard this one has screen casting, so that's why I want to use it. My Redmi A1 Plus doesn't have casting. Alright, it's here. Good. Let me add it. Added it. So I think it's pretty good. Like, it's okay. The phone feels very, very light. It feels light, but it's still okay. Let me check the launcher. The launcher settings. Okay. Doesn't have much settings, so that's just it. Let's see the camera. Okay, camera is okay. It's okay. It's almost like it's better than the A4, the Redmi A. The camera is okay. Let's just see that. Everything about the phone is good. I like it. So everything about the phone is good. It's good. I'm happy with the phone. I hope it doesn't lag. Okay. The phone has a hybrid SIM slots, and one thing about it is that if you put your memory card, you can't put your second SIM. If you put your second SIM, that means you have to stay without your memory card, and I don't really like that. But since the phone is a 128 gig memory space, I guess it shouldn't be a problem to forgo the memory card. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope this tutorial has helped those who want to make a decision to buy this phone. And that's the Freeyond F9 phone for you. Thanks.